What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Guys, look in the right hand corner, if you will see a little red square that says subscribe. Smash that button for me, like the video please, and thank you. All right, guys, I'm back today. I want to talk about Leads Leap real quick. Actually, what I want to show you is I use this system to create a sales funnel for another program that I'm promoting, and for everybody that joins me in that program, okay, everybody that joins me in that program, you're gonna get the sales funnel that I have created. That includes the autoresponder, okay, the sales page, and the capture page. All right, guys, and of course, everybody that joins me in that program, I'm going to run traffic for if you come in at the gold level and above. All right, we'll get into that. All right, so the link is in the description. Go check it out. The link for this software, because that's what this is, Leads Leap. The link is in the description for that. And I'll also put the link for Mega Marketing Pro. You can go through Mega Marketing Pro and get Leads Leap through there, or you can just get it a la carte. It's up to you. But I say Mega Marketing Pro so you can get everything, and that's a free system. So with that being said, let's talk about this real quick. So I got into Leads Leap Pro, the end of December, okay. Never really looked at this software, to be honest with you, but something came across my desk, and I was following a particular person. It came across my desk, and I got in, and I was like, oh my goodness, once I really got into it, and now I'm learning more and more as I am exploring the back office of this system. Now, they've been around since 2008. To be honest, I've heard about them here and there, just never really paid them much attention, okay? Because I do have a primary capture page system, so that's what I was thinking. Oh, it's just another capture page system. So my other capture page system I've been with for 3 years, okay? But got into this. Now, they have a free version and they have a pro version. Of course, if you go with the pro, you get more bells and whistles, okay? Anytime you pay versus free, you're going to get more. That's just what it is, okay? So you decide, but it's beneficial to go ahead and upgrade. Now, I got started, I think when people got in a year or two ago, it was a different price, and now it's another price. So you may have seen different people say they got in for 19. When I got in, it was for 23 bucks. Okay? And for what you get, I mean, you get a plethora of information. Now, this is a tool. Okay? So I want to bring you guys tools that you can use to help you build your primary business, okay? Remember, I have a formula. In that formula, in the ropes formula, S is for systems. You must have systems and tools in your arsenal to help you build your business. So Leads Leap would be a tool I'm adding to my toolbox, okay? Another tool, another system. Okay, it's very, very beneficial. It has some things that another program doesn't have, so it's great just to add it, okay? So it's going to get more, this is going to help you get exposure to your primary business. That's what we're talking about, generating leads, getting traffic to your websites. I mean, look at what it says here: list manager, page builder, pop-up creator, link tracker, ways to make money with this. Now, let me say this. This program right here doesn't pay me as much as TCP does. So I'm not even in it for the money for this program, to be honest. It's a tool. And I see that it's a very valuable tool that you guys can use. I'm already using it, taking advantage of it. For what I paid, I'm really just surprised, okay? that it has all these features to this software. Now, with that being said, let me show you. As I said, I'm here because I want to show you guys. You see right here it says you can get in for free. Okay, and you can always upgrade. Like I said, $23. Unlimited autoresponder, by the way. Did I say that? So, I'm here to show you how I use this system to create a capture page system, a funnel for DWP. Okay, so everybody that gets in with DWP, if you want my share code that I created for the funnel that I'm about to show you, you have to be a paid member of DWP. Not just join Leads Leap. Okay, you've got to be a paid DWP member to get this funnel that I'm going to show you. So let me show you what we currently use. Okay, so you can kind of compare. Okay, which is nothing wrong with what we're using. Okay, I'm just showing you. People have seen a lot of this, right? So we want to stand apart. We want to look different when you're sending cold traffic, right? Because, you know, that's what I'm with this funnel. Cold traffic. A lot of people may have seen this page, right? Some people may have seen this, not this page. Hang on, let me get the other one. Hold on a second. Here's the other one, okay? So this is a page. Love this page. Love this whole system. All I'm saying is you want to mix up your marketing. Makes a difference. Because, again, it's about piquing people's interests, right? So if they've seen this page, because it's out here floating around, right? Oh, when they see this, oh, I already know what this is. I don't need to put in my name and email, okay? So you know, right here. Where's the other one? It disappeared on me. Oh, here it is. Hang on. Hang on. Or this one. Oh, I already know what that is. As soon as we see that, they already know what it is, right? So we got to continue to pique interest and curiosity, right? So that's what makes this different by using Leads Leap to differentiate yourself from the rest, okay? So we want to always mix it up. Okay, we can create various sales pages, and mix it up. That's what it's all about. That's marketing. Continues to tweak it. It's never the same thing over and over and over. We're trying different things, testing out different capture pages, different sales pages, right? So I created this page. Let's get into that. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, this page right here. This is one. I got a few that I've created. Earn $200 to $1,500 without talking to anyone, right? So this is different. That's one. Now I've switched them up where I take the 200 to 15 out. I may say 150, 175, whatever. But this isn't just giving you an idea of what we got here. So look at this one. Okay. This is the capture page. You see right here, it's always promoting my link. That is my link. When people go here and they just click that, guess where it's going to take them? Right here. And see what it's at the bottom? It's got my picture and my user name, right? So it's coded to me. So that's what I like about this program. It's always putting you out there. All right. So let's take a look at this. Okay. So let's say the person goes here and they say, ah, now I already know what that is. Even if they just say that, right? Oh, I know what that is. That's DWP. They click this, boom, takes them to that Leads Leap page. Okay. So now they're curious about, well, what is this? And they go in and they sign up for that. So they may go in as a free member or they may pay upgrade. And guess what? That's a commission for me. All right. Now let's take a look at the sales page. Now check out this sales page. Voila, voila, boom, boom, bam. Right? How I make $200 to $1,500 on autopilot. They're not going to see this because I created it. Not going to see this because I created it. You won't see this page. Right? So right here, it says without talking to a single person. Click here to activate your money-making system. Now, when they click there, they're going to get the DWP. They've already opted in at that point. They're going to get this page. Wonderful. Okay, perfect. I've already got their email and their name, right? Now, this is a generic video back here in the background. I just put this picture here just for this video that I'm doing right now. But when you get the funnel, we'll take that picture out. Okay, we'll just take that picture out, so it won't be there. It'll just be the generic video. Not me speaking on it. It's just a generic making money video. Okay, but right here it says activate. So that takes them to the DWP sales page where it does all the selling and telling. The 800 number is there. They've got to call them to get signed up, right? Okay. As they go down, guess what? Click the button below to unlock your traffic system. When they click here, one of my traffic sources that I recommend. And guess what? When they purchase traffic, that makes you money, right? So you're going to make money here when they join DWP, and they're going to want to get traffic. Okay, they're going to need traffic. They're going to click there. You're going to get paid commissions for that. As they go down, you see this page here confirms that, hey, it shows that we've gotten leads here. We've gotten sales. Warrior Plus sales for the traffic. Right here, this video is going to tell them how to set the funnel up. Then it tells them, hey, join Leads Leap. So again, that may be a pro version or it may be the free version. Either way, they're going to click there all in one. Okay, so that is the funnel, guys. And then I've tied the email follow-up series to it as well. Okay, so everybody that joins me in DWP, you want to get this funnel. Okay, and I'm working on some more pages. All right, well, this is one that I've started and I'm going to start running traffic to it. But want to bring it out to you guys. Now, this system is awesome. Let's go over here. I'm in my back office and I'm just going to show you real quick. Matter of fact, they send you a weekly email. I mean, this is a great software. All right, hang on. I'm going to show you this email. Hang on a second. Okay, now they send out this weekly overview to kind of give you a highlight status of your membership. Okay, so check it out. Now they allow me, since I'm a pro member, I get to post 10 ads. So far I've put 6 in there. That's what they're telling me, and I'll show you that real quick. This is free traffic. Just being a pro member, posting my ads, they do all the marketing. They put your ads in rotation, guys, and it's getting traffic. So I have 473 hits out there on those ads. They're telling me I've got some credits. And being a pro member, I don't have to click all over to the right to get credits because I'm a pro member and I can post my ads. But for people that join the free level, you know, if you want to earn credits to be able to post your ads, you've got to click on different advertising, right? Surf and earn, surf. So I don't have to do that because I'm a pro member. So the credits and stuff like that, I haven't really dealt with it. But it gives you an idea of your status of what you got going on. Okay, and it shows you here free tools to grow your business, link tracker. They have email autoresponder, no cost to you, page builder, the pop-up opt-in forms, a lot of stuff that they offer you. Okay, real quick before I let you guys go, over here, I'm gonna show you this, and then I'm gonna come back and talk about this little software a little more. But if you become a pro member, as you can see right here, I'm a pro member, this little yellow square here, for $23, guys, this chump change. You can post ads. So right here, I'm going to click my ads because I'm going to show you guys. So I've got, see, it says I get 10, I posted 6. So I still need to put 4 more in there. Now, I recently just posted this, look, on the 9th, and it's telling me I already got 24 hits. I didn't do anything. Okay, like right here, all these are people's ads over here. This is what happens. My ads and your ads, if you become a pro member, will be here and people click them. That's how we're getting these hits. And people will sign up for different things, or they're curious to see, well, what are you talking about? So let me just show you. Now, I recently posted this one for Smoke Buds. Smoke Buds, shout out to Smoke Buds, still going. I need to do a video on that for you guys. But right here, Okay, I've already gotten 24 hits on Smoke Buds. Here is my postcard deal. I've gotten 89 hits. This is free advertising. Right here, I have TCP. I have 342 hits on that one, guys. Cryptocurrency, 87 hits on that one. And this is just making money online. The main website that I list, 316, free advertising. Map right here, 268 hits. Free, just post your ads. Click here, add a new ad. Okay, but you got to be a pro member to get this. Otherwise, you'd have to click on ads over here to earn credits to be able to post your ads. So I just went ahead and upgraded and did the pro member. Okay, right here it says pro member only to be able to get that free ad. So I need to post 4 more and I get 10 ads out here for free. Look, 1,000 hits total visitors is what it's telling me. They're doing all the marketing for me. Not to mention all the tracking devices, if you will, in here. I'm going to get into all that on another video, but I want to just show you guys. This is a great little system. Great little system. So with that being said, guys, go check out this program, Leads Leap. I'm going to put the link in the description. I'll also put the Mega Marketing Pro link in there as well. And of course, DWP. So if you want to sign up with me in DWP, guys, and get this sales funnel, it's going to be awesome. An awesome way to collect your leads. It's going to be something different people have not seen because we created it from scratch. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.